Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So this is a small piece of information for all of you. As you know that we are currently ongoing with a live batch of cost accounting in which we are discussing all the module questions of ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Your module, we are discussing each and every question about that. So today, that is what date it is, sir? Today is 15th of June 2024. We are going to start with our new chapter, that is labor costing. We are already done with material costing. Check out and do join live every day 8 o'clock. We are coming up live, and this batch is going to be absolutely useful for each and everyone who are preparing for September attempt or the January attempt. This batch is going to be really helpful because we are taking up the daily sessions, the Q&A sessions. Those are going to be really useful for all of you who have lots and lots of queries in this particular subject. As I know, I have been teaching for the last 10 years now. This subject is often considered to be one of the toughest, but by the end of this series, you will say that, sir, costing is one of the easiest subjects. Okay, sir, in this series, you are covering only the ICAI module part. Yes, we are covering only the ICAI module part in English. Sir, what about the concept? The conceptual lectures are already available on YouTube. Check out the playlist section. Each and every concept has been covered in detail in English as well as in Hindi. But still, if you want to join the regular batches are also available. In that, we have covered every kind of a question. We have covered all the concepts in detail, the MCQs, the hard copy of the book, so you can join the regular courses also, or you can opt for this. Please do not forget to come live every day 8 o'clock Monday to Saturday except for Sunday. We are coming in live 8 o'clock on this very channel, so please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we are coming live on YouTube. This is a golden opportunity, a once in a time opportunity for all of you to get all your doubts cleared in one go in a live session. Really important, right? So see you guys in the live session at 8 o'clock, and on 15th of June we are starting with our next chapter, that is labor costing. If you have any doubts related to labor costing, come in the live session, ask your doubts, and just enjoy and make this subject one of the easiest one, right? So see you guys in the live session. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.